So in this video, we're going to do a pre-op scan for a crown restoration. So start by selecting new case in the upper right, and then select restoration as your workflow, and then hit next step. So we're going to start by clicking pre-scan and then selecting the tooth number. We're going to do a crown. The material will be zirconia, and choose your shade and then add. Here, just add the doctor and technician information. Click on the calendar so you can select your requested delivery date and add in any comments. So in this instance, I just put a note that we're sending along a pre-op scan to follow the anatomy. So first we're going to do the opposing, which is the upper. So scan the full occlusal surface. We're just doing a quadrant scan. So capture all occlusal surfaces, then the lingual, keeping the camera close. That'll keep that green square green. When it turns red, that just means I'm a little too far from the teeth. That yellow arrow is a directional arrow, just prompting me to make sure I go back over that incisal edge. And then that's enough for an opposing scan. So now let's do the pre-op scan prior to the prep for tooth number 19. Just capture all of the occlusal from the posterior forward. On the canine there, rotate to the lingual, going posterior, all the way back. Rotate up to the occlusal and out to the buccal. Always more comfortable to have the scanner pull forward from the posterior and process. Next, we're going to put the two together and we're going to catch the bite. This is a model, so it's going to flip the maxillary around. Once it's in occlusion, you'll hear a chime. And there's no need to do two bites. We only are doing a quadrant scan. So there's our upper, our pre-op, and bite. And now we're going to select the lower because we're going to cut out the data that's been prepped. Using the cut tool and a mouse, draw a circle around the pre-op model. Click OK if it looks good, or undo if you need to do it again. The OK button just removes that data, and you simply scan over the now prepped tooth, making sure to capture the contacts on either side, 100%, the margin, and really rotate if there's an undercut there so the camera's looking directly at those mesial surfaces. And that is a full pre-op scan. Only one occlusion was found. Again, we only need to do one bite.